Ladies and gentlemen, as the beginning is throwing away close, it's only proper that a blessing is due unto the gods, minds to conceive and give birth to it. We are people of the sun, so without leeching too much from the contents of your longevity, now go and tell everybody you come across of a soft contents on its ass. What you are saying may either set you free or hold you in captive from listening to life. He said it, she said it, and now I'm saying it with every cell of my walking house. My soul is for keeps, have you not heard? Grandfathers and grandmamas I have on my right hand side the man himself, such a humble soul, brother Tato is. I ask music herself, she'd rather refer to him as Mother Earth. If there's such a believer's reincarnation, I'd call him Pythagoras. He does the math for me, taught me to listen to me. It's in the way he caresses my piano like alphabets and numbers. Honor to introduce to you, ladies and gentlemen, you gotta love him, the one and only Mr. Tato Mugwe. My bad, I thought I told you I'm starting a band. Allow me to look deep in my far right. This young man makes it authentic, he paves to the relic. Back to the 70s when the Maya made me pizza with my rainbow. Mohlolo, ladies and gentlemen, I wanna know my pizza diaba. Show me, come on man, why don't you really show them what you were made up of? The one thing we have in common, I speak for melody now, so let me bring it to your attention what I'm talking about. This young man, Kimodangwa Mukuto Morol, the Dodo, the Sia Rumo Hadiman Dwayne, Habajaba Hadiman Shame. Ladies and gentlemen, the critically acclaimed Mr. Tito Matipa on lead guitar. I go into a 20 now when I went to come on the ball. I'm right behind you, my beloved. Listen, as a matter of fact, let's have a dance. But how's that gonna be possible without rhythm? You got me thinking, the heartbeat. Let me introduce to you now my drama, the scientist. Blame God for the skill. Je was at your doorstep, smell women and child.
Pitso Rah Makhula.
wait till times do alter. The soul I'm about to introduce to you actually doesn't need it. He gave you these lullabies, one of co-founders in this ministry. I could fill up his entire day with credibility, but now I'd rather let the bass speak his heart out. Maranat and God, ladies and gentlemen, you gotta love him. This young man would make you go crazy. Skida Malondi, why don't you turn them topsy-turvy? Ladies and gentlemen, it's been such a wonderful experience working with these gods I just made mention of. Guess it all makes sense now. Each one teach one. It's been such a dream come true. I designed this music specifically for man, women and child entertainment, baby. I now see myself from the eyes of destiny standing on the soils of my forefathers.
Pitso Rah Makhula.